Hi, this is Menghini from Load One Classic Vehicles. Welcome back to my channel, and today I can show you my stunning Messerschmitt KR200. It's a well-known vehicle in the Messerschmitt society. It's 1961, being fully restored. It's an absolute joy. Beautiful colour. I'll show you around, do a quick tour. As you can see, it's just an incredible little machine. These were actually built by Messerschmitt when they stopped making the plane production after the Second World War. They needed to make the people move around in Germany, so they come up with this little machine, which is absolutely beautiful. Lovely cockpit. Very sweet. The only trouble is I can't fire it up because the battery's flat. It hasn't been started up since last year. Normally there's a little bit in there, but there's nothing. I've tried it. Hey ho, I'll do another one to show you it running. To get into the car, this is a little handle here, and it opens up just like a Messerschmitt should. There we go. And as you can see, nice ease of access. Wicked bit of kit. Also, another feature of this car is you can actually lift the seat up by lifting it there, which aids people to get in and out. And then all you do is push forward so you can reach the pedals. Very basic controls. There's a key which turns the ignition on. There is a little bit of power, but he won't fire. I know he won't. No, it just clicks. Indicators left and right. Not enough power for that either. Ah, slightly. Yeah. Yeah, slightly. Light switch, side lights. A bit like wet candles at the moment, but full beam there. Yeah, it's completely dead. Might have to get a new battery. I'll take another video when it's all running to show you. Right, the fuel tap is there on the right. So that's off when it hits the sidewall. On is down there. And reserve is straight down to the bottom. Works very well. The choke is here. So you just pull that for about 4 seconds while you turn the key and it fires up, and then you can let go completely. The gears are there. Like a motorbike gear, instead of a foot, it's manual operated. It's exactly the same, 4 speed. Just bang it forward and it works very well. The engine compartment is done by, there's 2 clips, one on each side. The actual cockpit does need to be open while you open the engine compartment. So that one's already open. So you just grab the boot there and lift it up until it clicks. There we go. And it's got a stay, it actually stops there. So the engine's a Fuchs Sachs single cylinder 200cc. It works very well. It's quite quick. They do around about 60 miles per hour and incredible on fuel. Probably about 80 miles to the gallon. Petrol tank and the spare wheel. Lovely machine. Quite quirky, I think. It's even got a reverse gear. So when you want to use reverse, all you do is you push the key in. Where's the key? Yeah, you push the key in and the green light comes on. Then you start it, but he's flat. But what that does, when the green light's on, it puts the engine in, it starts the engine the opposite direction. So it enables you to go in reverse. How clever is that? Works very well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick brief tour of my KR200, which I thoroughly enjoy. And if you look at my videos, you'll see I have a yellow one as well, a pale yellow, which is lemon colour, and that actually is going so you can hear what they're like. Okay, take care. We'll see you again, as there's many more videos to follow.